Cats are one of the favorite pets of animal lovers. This is not surprising because this furry animal has a cute and adorable face. In addition to having adorable behavior, cats are mammals that are often kept as pets by many families in the world. Pets like cats can indeed make your days colorful, stress or reduce tension after doing work. If you pay attention, cats tend to like to be lazy like couch potatoes who adopt a passive lifestyle. Uniquely, this fact makes it even more interesting to keep. This four-legged animal with a distinctive meow